Okay, here we go. Probably one of the busiest weekends of my entire life. Just kidding. That's a little dramatic, but maybe. The busiest weekend of the season, that's for sure. If not, the whole year. I thought last weekend, the weekend before, and the weekend before were super busy, but I think this weekend is gonna take the cake. I am vlogging today. It's going to be a little hectic. Lots going on, lots of multitasking, got lots of lists. This weekend is Ace and Avea's 11th birthday parties. I decided to make the amazingly great idea to split up their parties and do 2 parties in one weekend. Lord help me survive this. And these are not just like regular parties. I'm going a little above and beyond because how we do parties in our house is every kid does not have a birthday party every single year. We switch off, or every 2 years. We kind of stick with milestone birthdays, but Ace and Avea have not had a birthday party in 2 years. So I decided that it was okay for me to go a little buck wild this weekend. Ace's birthday is on Saturday. It's going to be a gaming / football birthday party. I rented a gaming trailer for all his boys from school and both of his 2 football teams. Yeah, and then he wants football food. So I'm doing like tailgating, like football appetizers and food type of situation. I gotta go to Costco, get everything that I need. Got a list. A long list of things. You guys will have to let me know if I'm missing anything, any like football food staples when we go to Costco. I'm also going to be doing a little bit of a life update, but yeah. Avea's birthday party is going to be a little bit different. She's only inviting 10 guests, and there's going to be a very special surprise for her that I will show you a little bit later in this vlog. So excited. She's gonna be a big girl and she doesn't want pizza and all that stuff at her birthday party. So I'm gonna be doing like sandwich platters and fruits and veggies and a soda bar, or a what's it called? Float bar. She wants like a soda float bar, like root beer floats with different flavors of soda. So we're gonna be doing that. Before I move out of this space, I need to order cups for that on Amazon to make sure that they're here in time. But before we run in and do a bunch of the errands and get ready for the birthday parties this weekend, I did want to give you guys a little bit of a life update. It doesn't feel right to just pick up the camera where I left off and just like hit the floor running, filming, and creating content with you guys without kind of being realistic of what's been going on in my life. This past month has been extremely hectic. As you know, probably on my stories, we went on a Royal Caribbean cruise, which was fun. The last day I did get extremely sick. Didn't vlog that part. Why would I? But I thought I'd tell you guys. I got really, really sick the last day. Motion sickness caught up to me. Tizeo popped 2 bottom teeth on the cruise. So the last few days he was really, really fussy. He spiked a huge fever and we had to go to the, I almost said the infirmary. What am I talking about? I've never been in jail or prison, just so you know. But oh my gosh, the medical area at the bottom of the ship, he had to have a suppository, super fun, yeah, to help with his fever. But that thing is a miracle worker. His fever went down like dramatically, really, really fast. He was fine after that. I was just really eager to get off the ship. Like, I am done with cruising, I'll be honest with you. And there will be one more cruise vlog coming out in the next couple days, because I do have like footage from day 5, 6, and 7, you know, when I was not sick, that I want to get out for you guys, which was really, really fun. So when it's good, it's good, and when it's bad, get me off this damn ship, okay? That's how I felt. I think we're over cruising. We have done it many, many times. I'm all over the place in this video, but if you're here for it, let me know in the comments, because this is just kind of like a brain mind dump, like what's going on in my life right now, which is always fun and chaotic. So yeah, we are officially over cruising. I think for vacation next year, let's face it, we probably won't go on vacation next year. Every 2 years, we just don't got it like that to be going every year. I think we're just gonna fly to Playa del Carmen, where we had our honeymoon, or Cabo, and stay at a resort or get an Airbnb this time. We're over cruising. I think it's fun the first 2, 3, maybe even 4 times, but after that it's just kind of the same thing. There's nothing really more to explore. Even though you like go on different cruise ships with kids, it's just, you know, it's fun while it lasted, but we're ready to move on to new adventures. I got back and instantly found out the news that my grandmother passed away, my beloved Mimi, hit with depression and the sadness and grief, along with a lot of family drama that went along with that. We all got it. We all have someone in our family that just causes things all the time. So in my family, I have a couple. Flew to the Bay Area to be with my family, and that was fun. Always things popping up, but I did spend time with my mom, which we really, really needed. I introduced my son to my stepdad and introduced him to my husband's dad. He got to meet his auntie and his 2 cousins for the first time, Ed's sister and her 2 sons. So even though it was kind of like a terrible reason why I was flying back to the Bay Area, I wanted to take that time to grieve, as you saw in another vlog, but it was good because we got to see my family members, my dad and my stepmom as well, spend a little bit of time with them. Came back on Friday night. My flight was delayed by 3 hours, so that was fun. Got home around midnight, had to wake up super early for an 8 a.m. game, had to be at the football field for playoff weekend, which really helped my spirits be lifted again to like be dropped back into another busy weekend. This is my life. Amazing playoff weekend going into the championship game, which you guys saw in the last vlog. They won the championship for 10U level or 10U division, and that was so much fun. People went back to our house and we celebrated. We ordered a bunch of food, and then that just spiraled into another busy week of school. And then we had a banquet, which I threw, and that was really fun for the award ceremony for the football team. And then now, that was just this last weekend. It is now Wednesday, right in the middle of the week. This weekend are the twins' birthday parties. So there was no time for laundry. There was no time for anything else this past month. So that being said, I'm just getting back in the swing of things. I am trying to get laundry under control, trying to get my house back under control. You know, things have been so thrown off that I haven't been on a regular schedule. My laundry has been piling up. I've been eating a lot of fast foods and takeout, unfortunately. My kids too as well, but me more so. I've been packing them healthy lunches for school, but I've been running around with my head cut off doing errands and trying to play catch up where I've been, you know, getting food out and about. So I want to get back into my regular routines that really worked for me that I haven't been able to. It's normal to be thrown off of your routines. It's normal to, you know, slack on your diet and all those things, and it's okay. And I plan to try to get back into these things and make sure that I am back on track going into March, because yeah, I'm feeling sluggish. I know that I'm off my routines and it's causing chaos in the house. My laundry's piling up, and hence the reason why my anxiety is a little high. I feel like I have lost control of my household because of all the events and things that have been happening lately. Once I survive birthday weekend, that's the plan, Jan. So I just wanted to update you guys on what's been going on. I'm feeling a lot better anxiety-wise. I've been able to kind of grieve a little bit and move through the stages of loss a little bit, where I'm eager to get things back on track and get my home back on track. I have a lot of storage bins and organization stuff that have been piling up in my entryway that I want to put into use into different spaces into my home that are causing me stress and anxiety. Those are the type of videos you can look forward to, me getting back on track, getting my workout in, eating better. My home gym is starting to take shape in my garage, so I'm going to be making that priority. You know, summertime is going to be upon us in just a couple short months, and I want to make sure that my routines are getting better and into play, and then I share those with you. Once I'm in my groove of routines, they really, really work for our family. And with 6 kids, routines are everything. So I'm excited to share those with you as I get them implemented and figured out, and we are on track with that, so you can definitely look forward to those videos. Let me know if you are still here in the comments. That was a mouth load. Like I said, I just didn't want to start vlogging and acting like everything's good and start sharing my life back with you guys, getting in the routine of sharing more videos, until I kind of did that like mental brain dump on you guys about how my life has been, and kind of like confess that things have not been normal, and I have been struggling, hence the reason why I haven't been putting out videos lately. And I do plan on getting back into posting, having a little bit more of a healthy work-life balance. So I still have my seatbelt on. I still have my belt bag in here. I just dropped off. My husband's calling. Hi. I'll text them and ask them.
Check the plug right below the panel to see if it's out of the power.
Okay. Okay, anyways, so that is the plan. I just dropped off a bunch of donations because Ed and I worked really hard last night for like 4 hours to clean out the garage, because that was just bothering us. So that's my first thing that I wanted to really do, so that I can start working out, start feeling better about myself, get into a better routine. Let's be honest, I'm not like a huge worker-outer, yeah. But I think that's the one thing that's making me feel kind of like blue and down in the dumps. So I want to get into the routine of doing that first and foremost to help myself and my health. A lot of things have been happening with Tizeo. He has major milestones that he's been hitting in this past month, and I instead of like doing it here, I'm going to do a completely different video, because we've been baby led weaning and there's teeth and crawling and lots of things happening. So I will make a update on him, so look for that shortly. All right, here we go, Costco. What kind of mom would I be if I didn't have so much on my mind that I forgot my lists in the car? Okay, now we can go. We are out, got everything that we need, plus a few little extras. I'll show you when we get home. Okay, I'm home. I wanted to show you some of the things that I got before I get in the house, because once I get in there, it's going to be a little cray-cray. So I got some bananas. So for Avea's birthday party, I'm doing like a fruit platter. I'm making it like with, I'm making it like a little bit more sophisticated with fruit and macaroons and things like that. I have some special surprises for her that I'm having made by a dessert lady, so you have to stay tuned for that. But for Ace's party, I got a couple bags of these honey barbecue chicken bites. I'm gonna put some in the oven, and then I got some, why is this on its back? Anyways, this is ground beef. I'm gonna make huge sheets full of sliders, and then I'm gonna cut them into squares and put them in Hawaiian rolls. I got some big new sheets so I can do the wings and the sliders easily. I got these organic veggie bites for Tizeo. I thought these would be like a good soft thing. Since we are baby-led weaning, I think this would be something healthy for me to just fix for him for lunch in a pinch when we get takeout, and I don't want him to eat that. Got some milk. Let's go in the back. I got some lemonade for the party, some Kool-Aid. I'm just gonna throw these in a cooler. Chips for the nacho bar. Here are those French macaroons that I was talking about that I'm gonna do for Avea's little dessert bar, dishwasher things, a bunch of hot dog buns because we're doing hot dogs. I thought these would be cool to like throw in the bowl and put on the buffet table for the football party. Some taquitos. I also got these beef frank. I thought they were pretzel, but they're not. They're like puff pastry, pigs in a blanket type of thing. I don't know. I realized that the hot dogs in this might be too much, so I'll do one or the other. Maybe I'll do the hot dogs and just save these for like fun breakfast foods. And then here's the rolls. I got some tortillas because we needed tortillas. I got some blueberries and some strawberries. And I got some ciabatta bread for tonight. And I think that's it. I made a little pit stop at Hobby Lobby. I got these. They were 40% off, only $11.99 each. I thought these two cuties would be cute in my like centerpiece on my kitchen. In my kitchen. Right now I have like nothing special here. I want to make it a little festive for like Easter and spring. These little carrots, they were $3.50 each with 40% off. So that would be like cute to kind of like add a pop of color to it with maybe like a white candle. I don't know. I kind of like that color combo. And then I'm currently doing my office right now. So I got this. It just kind of reminds myself that You know, I may look a wreck, but I'm still getting stuff done. So that's a win. And then at Costco, I picked these up. I know my baby's only 8 months, but he's in like 12 months now. So I thought I'd get the 18 months ones so that, you know, they last longer, and they're pretty thin, so they'll be good for summer. It's a 4-piece. So one matching. Oh, I thought this was shorts. That's okay. One matching little pajama set and then 2 onesie situations. Yeah, thought these were really, really cute. Another thing I just got in the mail right now, Tush Baby sent me this. This is really cool. I'll show you guys on Instagram how I plan on using this, but I did use it for a little bit around the house. And so basically what I do is I put it around my waist, and you can put your phone here, your credit card, cash, whatever you need. You don't need a diaper bag. All you do is strap this on you, put your baby right here. The weight is distributed equally above your waist. You wear it on your waist, not like your hips, and you go. So this will be good just like running into the store when I have a bunch of kids with me and I don't want to bring a stroller or a diaper bag or a purse. It kind of gets in the way sometimes. So I'll show you on Instagram how I use this. Follow me there if you are not already. So we're just hanging out now. We're having some crunchy snacks. We had a food pouchy. We're watching Miss Rachel, and I need to clean this area because this is just too much. I'm gonna take them out and like redo this and sanitize this area, get this cleaned up so it's ready for him, because he'll be using it a lot tomorrow when a lot of people are over. Look at you move. He's so cute. All right, so I did start setting up for the party here. I'm going to be ending this vlog because I've got a ton of stuff to do. I want to finish cleaning all this area and then get started on prep for the party. This is not how I want it. It's not arranged properly. There's all this junk over here. So I'm going to stop this vlog now so I can be a little bit productive, and then I will pick it up in a little bit and start a whole new party prep vlog with both of their birthday parties. Okay. All right. Let me do that. Bye, guys.